Over the last few years, there's been a lot of interest and discussion in the climate change space. We have seen the recent findings from the IPCC report, the COP26 that happened in Glasgow, cyclones that have ravaged the Indian coastline, floods, droughts, and whatnot. So although the need to act is pretty evident, what next?
The decisions made in this decade will define the fate of our planet, beyond which severe climate impacts will be inevitable.
Hence, the Pune International Center is hosting an online climate conference on Decade of Change to understand what are the important steps we need to take this decade.
One of the main solutions that we are going to discuss in the conference is how do we get to net zero, which basically means balancing the greenhouse gases that we put into the atmosphere by absorbing or removing them from the atmosphere. Climate change is said to impact the countries near the equator much more than the rest of the world. So India might face the most severe impacts of climate change. And that is the reason why we need a clear pathway to reach net zero.
Our eminent speakers would also be talking about building strong and resilient communities that can withstand the impact of extreme weather events.
Under the leadership of Professor Amitav Malik, the Energy, Environment and Climate Change Vertical at Pune International Center has curated a two-day conference with prominent and diverse speakers such as Mr. Ravi Pandit, Chairperson KPIT Technologies, Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Vice Chairman Niti Aayog, Ms. Archana Sorenk, a youth leader, and Mr. Chandrabhushan, the CEO of iForest, and many more such speakers. So register now and join us on the 18th and 19th February 2022 to unlock the future.
Please register using the link in description or using the link in bio on Instagram. Thank you.